We've just recently seen the new Rinnai 800 fireplace. I got shown one of those on Instagram and absolutely fell in love with it. I think this super modern, super sleek, with the new flame technology as well on the 800. It's super majestical to have that in your living room. I think generally what I love about Rinnai is just the ease of the products, the installation, super easy, and especially with the fireplace as well. The step-by-step installation guide was absolutely just, you followed it to a T, and everything just seamlessly flowed. So we didn't have any hiccups or any troubles installing the fireplace, which myself and one other who's a qualified gas fitter installed. So yeah, it was absolutely seamless. Everything was so well thought out, from the sort of glass shards to the ceramic logs. They look super realistic, and yeah, it literally looks like there's a burning fire in my living room. So one of the other coolest features about the fireplace, it has Wi-Fi. You can download the Rinnai app to any phone, I believe, and it basically gives you that full connectivity, control all the settings, set timers. If you're out and you're coming home, you can turn it on before you get home, so it creates a nice warm vibe, and you can literally do anything with it. You can turn it on and off, and she turns off. So it's absolutely awesome to have that control from your phone. We really wanted to, obviously in the living space, this was our main TV wall, and we wanted to keep the TV there before we put the fireplace in. So having the Rinnai fireplace with the powered flue, it allows you to have a TV above it within certain clearances, and it's a one-stop shop now. We've got our TV with the fireplace going as well, so it literally creates that perfect homely vibe that you want.